Congratulations, Coach Pat. Both imports were as advertised tonight. How would you compare the two, and how did you see your locals support your import in the end game?
It's a battle. I mean, those imports were competing not this year, but competing in the Indonesian basketball league. And just happy that our players step up, like RK again. I know some players, have a slow output, but at the end, they didn't give up. They still play hard, and I'm gonna credit to Magnolia. Magnolia played so well today also. They had their game plan, and wish that ganito palagi. I mean, sana lagi kaming todo, lagi kaming playing with pride and honor.
Thank you so much, Coach Pat. That's it for me. We are now opening a
Coach, congratulations. 2-0 to start the conference. Tonight, both kay at kay import nyo, ang kabaliktaran niya from the last game was isa siya sa mga tumapos tonight.
Yeah, again, sabi ko nga, credit is due to the players, not to me. They played until the end, and that's what we talked about. Having to, finish the game. I know. I've said early in the huddle that no frustration. I know sometimes that we're not gonna get our shots. We're not gonna play that good defense. But you just continue playing on and just happy with the way we played today.
Okay, congratulations din. Also congrats kasi ikaw ang first player of the week ng conference. The reason was that yung performance mo nung against Rain or Shine, the way you perform since missing out last April 8, last game mo, maganda pinakita mo. Tonight you did again. Ano masasabi mo dun sa pinapakita mo after 2 games?
I think yung tiwala lang na binibigyan ni Coach Pat sa akin kasi kahit magkamali ako, kahit anong nangyari, binibigyan niya ako pa rin ako kumpiyansa. Kumbaga, yun yung nakakatulong sa akin sa team.
Basta yung recovery mo and ano mo pinapare tong conference?
Nagkaroon kami ng 1 month off so nagtuloy-tuloy ako after last May 9, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung workout ko, rehab ko kasi pinapalakas